Smart Summon allows your Tesla to drive to you, or a nearby location of your choosing, with your supervision. It can be used as long as your Tesla and your phone have connectivity, and your Tesla, its target location, and the path in between are on private property. It's great for rainy days or loading heavy objects. Like all autopilot features, you are responsible for your car and must monitor it and its surroundings at all times. To use Smart Summon, it must be enabled. On your touchscreen, go to Controls, Autopilot, and Summon. Next, open your Tesla app, tap Summon. A map shows your Tesla, the red arrow, and you, indicated here by the blue dot. Your Tesla needs to be within the blue ring radius, which is approximately 200 feet. Set the target destination of your choice by adjusting the map, and then press and hold the Go to Target button. You can stop your car from driving at any time by releasing the button. Your Tesla will do its best to move itself to you, making adjustments for obstacles as needed along the way. Make sure you have a clear line of sight to your car to monitor its surroundings and be ready to stop it at any moment. Your Tesla will stop itself once it has reached the selected location. Smart Summon relies on your Tesla's full suite of cameras, so it can take a moment for the hardware to power up. If the cameras are blocked or impaired, the feature won't engage. If you would like to ensure that Smart Summon is instantly available, you can activate Summon Standby Mode. Go to Controls, Autopilot, and enable Summon Standby Mode here on the touchscreen. Summon Standby Mode will be active whenever the vehicle is parked with a state of charge greater than 20%. You can choose to exclude locations where you're unlikely to use Smart Summon so that your Tesla conserves more energy when parked at these locations. Even more details about Smart Summon can be found in your on-screen owner's manual.